What's going on, guys? So we're back to another video from the new warehouse. I'm not sure if I'm going to be releasing the video of the new warehouse before this goes live, which doesn't really make sense, but I'm just going to go with it because it's been taking a while and this place is going to be under construction for a bit more. But this is the secret project that we've been working on. It's a warehouse where we're going to be doing vinyl wrap, window tinting, and eventually expand to other things. But we have our first car. This is going to be kind of like, this is going to be one of our flagship cars where it's kind of our shop's, my buddy's project car. It's an S14 with an LS swap V8 engine in it, and it's a beast. It is extremely fast. It doesn't weigh very much. And right now we're in the process of prepping the car for wrapping. As you can see here, we've already gone ahead and wrapped the hood. This was kind of something we wanted to do because we were already here and we had the wrap. And so we're like, you know what, let's just wrap the hood. But ideally and typically, we usually prep the entire car first and then start wrapping. But like I said, this is kind of just an exception. We wanted to go ahead and try wrapping the hood, see what it would start to look like. But I wanted you guys to get a good look at it before we're done with it because so the wheels it has on the back are going to be the same wheels, obviously not as wide, but the same wheels that are going to go in the front. But in the meantime, we're running these because it's rubbing a little bit because of the way, because of the height. Like you can see how low it is and how the wheels camber, whatever, whichever one it is, they go in, and so it's rubbing. So once we get that issue fixed, we're probably going to go to a lower profile tire. Then it should be good to go. We shouldn't have any issues. But in the meantime, this car has been through a lot. It was repainted by the previous owner. It seems like it was like a rattle can type spray job. So on the roof and on the doors, we have all these little like flakes and like bits and pieces that got caught in the air, like little particles. And we've been working this night on sanding it down and making sure that it's smooth and we're able to apply vinyl wrap to it so we don't have any bumps or issues with that. So yeah, I mean, we'll do a walk around. If you want to come over this way, we'll do a walk around the car. We're running, what are they, 295s?
Yeah.
295s on the back. Huge deep dish style wheels, which are, I'm personally a big fan of them. They look awesome, makes the car look super wide. This has been cut up because we're doing the Rocket Bunny kit on it, as you can see from the fender flares on the front. And on this side, we've already actually wrapped this panel to see what it would look like and threw it on there with wheel spacers. So the tire's sitting just flush. You can just fit a finger in there. I don't know if you can get that. You can barely fit a finger in there. So it's definitely sitting low. It's sitting super well, flush, almost flush with this fender flare. But yeah, the plan for the car is the top half of the car is going to be this dark, almost like a crimson red, and then the bottom half is going to be a satin black. And these fenders already came satin black, but we're going to actually go ahead and wrap them to make sure that the colors are uniform around the entire car. And then these mirrors are going to go, and we're going to get some F1 style mirrors. Might be carbon, might not be, we're not sure yet, but yeah, so we've got the racing seats in there, we've got the half cage, we've got the racing steering wheel, and we went ahead and swapped out the headlights for LED lights, like similar to the ones, actually these are ones that you can put in your Jeep Wrangler, but we went ahead and put them in here and with these little light bars, as fog lights, which is pretty cool, trust me. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. Right now we won't do a startup because we're obviously working on the car and we also don't have the keys, but I wanted to give you guys kind of a little tour and walk around of what we're doing. And that's for the warehouse. Right now the entire warehouse is primed. We actually just installed those racks so we can start putting all of our vinyl there. We're gonna get some more rods so we can start hanging the vinyl rolls. And then the room behind you guys is actually gonna be a waiting room where the concrete you see is gonna get leveled, and we're gonna put veneer down there so that it looks nice. We're gonna repaint the walls, we're gonna paint in here. But for now, I wanted to be able to use this place to start working. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Apologies for the lack in posting. We've just had a lot going on with this place being in construction, a lot of the logistics into opening a business. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, my info is down below, and feel free to check us out on @thecustomAutoLab on Instagram, and we don't have a website yet, but it'll be up soon. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.